My youngest daughter lives out of state. When I did see her, after all my work was done and I smiled at her, she looked at me and said, "Dad, what a beautiful smile you have." I'm sorry, but all the money in the world was worth that. I'm retired, now living in the World Golf Village, originally from Long Island. I moved here with my wife and my daughter. I always had trouble with cavities. I always had trouble with toothaches and things like that. And that really plagued me all the way through my adulthood. I would not show my teeth if I had to smile. It's amazing how well you can mimic or make yourself not show your teeth when you don't want them to be shown to people. Between the pain and the fact that it seemed like I was always in a dentist's office because of a toothache or because I needed root canal work, which isn't fun at all. As they began to fail, it became more and more apparent that I was going to have to try and get a more permanent solution.
When Mr. Liu first came into the office, he really wasn't happy with his smile. He wasn't satisfied. Teeth were breaking down, kind of in a sad state. Myself and my team, we came up with a custom treatment plan for Mr. Liu. That treatment plan was geared towards implants because his focus was to have permanent teeth and to look as natural as possible. We designed his whole smile before even beginning treatment with Mr. Liu. He approved it, he liked it. We were going in a similar direction, getting his thoughts, our thoughts, to move forward with treatment.
When I first met Dr. Ryan and her team, what a wonderful person she is, number one, but two, what a gifted dentist, always looking to do what was best for me. So the biggest thing that I've noticed in my life since my treatment, and if you know me, I enjoy cooking quite a bit, the ability to eat foods that I haven't eaten in years and years. My outlook on life has changed because instead of being self-conscious about my appearance, at least my smile and so on now, there's no self-consciousness whatsoever. I am happy to open my mouth and show people the beautiful smile that I have.